Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. In this video, we will talk about future continuous tense. That is the next to simple future tense. In future continuous tense, we are talking about the planning of the subject of the continuity of the work. When the subject plans at how the work will be continued, that comes in future continuous tense. Future, the time, continuous means the continuity of the work, that the work will be going on, right? Let's start that. First of all, affirmative. She will be cooking food. I'm taking very easy sentence. She will be cooking food. We shall be writing a letter. As I told you in simple future that it does not matter in future tense whether the subject is singular or plural. But the thing about which we worry is the subject. If it is we or I, then we use shall. If the subject is some other subject, plural or singular, then we use will. Same I am continuing here. You can see will and shall. Shall for we, will for she. We are adding one thing new, be in both the sentences. Main verb is coming with ing and then object, right? The same when we are coming in the negative. I told you we put not before the main verb. Main verb is cooking here. Before that it can be not cooking, but that is not right here. Here main verb comes before will and be. Example, it will be she will not be cooking food. The second example will be we shall not be writing a letter, right? Not before be, before be. Here, interrogatives, the same. I told you we take the helping verb out. Helping verb is will or shall. Be will be at its own place only. It will not be moved. Will she be cooking food and question mark. The second one, shall we be writing a letter? It becomes very easy. Will or shall is out. Will she be cooking food? Shall we be writing a letter? Right? Now we are coming to the structure of the tense. How the tense is having the structure for the sentence. First of all, affirmative, subject plus will or shall again with ing, will with rest all, plus be plus main verb ing plus object. If we talk about negative, it becomes subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus main verb ing plus object. If we talk about interrogative, it is like will, shall in the beginning plus subject plus be main verb ing plus object plus question mark. Right? This is how the structure comes. This is how the structure of future continuous tense comes. Again, that is required in reported speech and passive voice. So please keep your focus here also. Not only the examples, keep on practicing. It will make you perfect. Right? Thank you very much.